Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video. Finally, the room reveals. So this is my room door. Let's jump right into the video. The mint. So let's start off with behind the door. So behind the door I have my robe. I have my pink robe. I just love pink. Pink is my favorite color and I like this faux fur nonsense. I love it. I wear that basically when I'm cold around the house and sometimes to bed. This is actually my little cousin's hoodie. Shout out to you, Raquel. Thanks for the hoodie. I just never gave back to her, honestly. And it's Corona, so I'm just gonna keep it and wash it and then give it to her another time. So the next thing when you come into my room, you have this table. I'll show you guys how it actually looks like and everything. It was only $10. I purchased it at 5 and below. So if you have a 5 and below around your area, you can definitely go and cop that just like I did. This one is my journal, Thoughts of a Queen. My sister's friend actually has a business and this is one of the items that I purchased from her. I will definitely leave the link down below as well too if you guys want to get that. And this plant, I love it so much. I had it since 2018, I believe. And this water bottle was gifted to me from my cousin. And it says, I don't know if you guys can see that, fearfully and wonderfully made. So that's part of a Bible verse. This black floor lamp, I actually got it from my other cousin who is Raquel's mom. She got me this. Well, she didn't really necessarily get it for me, but she had it at her house and I was like, this is so cute aesthetically, I need to have it. And she was like, it's all yours. And I said, thank you so much. So thank you so much, Nini. And I'm not too sure where she got that, so I can't leave the link down below. So right here, this is my desk. This desk is so beautiful. I love this desk, but it is a little wobbly with the quality. I will leave the link down below for where I got this desk. I believe it was from Walmart. So when my friend was helping me install it, he accidentally scratched this part where I ain't gonna blame him too much, but it's not that big of a deal. This is where I come up with my YouTube ideas, blog ideas. It's just a thinking ground for me. This fixture, I got it from Home Goods or Home Sense, one of them. But it's so cute. I think it's aesthetically pleasing. This candle is from, not gonna lie to you, I'm not too sure. I have so many candles, so I'm not too sure. But I love the smell of vanilla. And I like how it has like the marble, because it kind of reminds me of this marble type situation that we got going on. This time thing, I love it. It's one of my favorite pieces of the whole room. This little thing, I don't even really remember where I got this thing, but I like it because it kind of looks like an A for Ashley. And I have these little notes that I actually got from when I used to be in college. I went to the University of Massachusetts Amherst and I worked at one of the 7 student-run businesses called People's Market. One of my other co-managers, she gifted me with this box that had like a whole bunch of them. I think it was my birthday or something, but she gave me like Be Happy pop-up cards, study cards. So every once in a while I do change them. It says, begin doing what you want to do now. We only have this moment sparkling like a star in our hand and melting like a snowflake. It really does remind me how fast things go. And people always want to save things for tomorrow, save things for later, just do it now. Definitely one of those gifts that really just means so much to me. So thank you so much, Narmeen. I love that. And this was gifted from my good sis, Desaya, an essential oil type of situation. I love it. This is super cute. I love that. And this was gifted from my good friend, Yubin. Thank you so much, Yubin. This mirror is like regular mirror over here. And this mirror was from, it's like 3D, or not 3D, 3 times, whatever, magnified. I think this is from the Target near Amherst where I went to school. So over here on this desk, I have 300 or more writing prompts. I got this at Target, but I haven't written in it yet. You guys know that I'm a writer, so I constantly need to be writing things on my blog. If you guys haven't checked out my blog yet, I will pop it up on the screen and I'll leave it down in the description box as well. Underneath this is my other notebook. Guys, I told you guys I really like to write. And it says notes and it matches the white, black, gold aesthetic. And this is actually from my good friend Imani. Thank you so much, Imani. and she like sent me a little note in here, and it's just so sweet. This is for my 24th birthday. That's why she said, here's to 24K, much love. Next thing, I use this as something that I can just like put stuff on. It opens up. There's stuff in here. I use it as storage too. And I actually use it as a place for people to sit, because I don't allow people to sit on my bed, because that is absolutely disgusting to have outside clothes on inside bed. Whenever people come over, they just come and they can sit on here, or they can sit on here, or they can sit on this lovely chair. Oh my gosh, I love this chair. This is one of my favorite. This actually is my favorite piece of my entire room. I actually installed it all by myself. I put it up all by myself. If you guys want to see that video of how to put up a desk chair all by yourself, I will let that pop up in the screen. You can check that out. It's pretty hilarious of me struggling to do that, but I love this chair. This chair is from Amazon. So worth it. I love the clear aesthetic, and I love how it's black and it's gold, and this gold basically matches that gold that I got going on. So aesthetically, so pleasing. I love to love it. And it goes right in here. This was only like $7.99 at Etsy. Frame was from Target. I like how it's minimal, and it's basically a woman who is just pondering and thinking, and I just think it's just aesthetically pleasing. Anything that I do remember or I find the links, I will definitely leave it down in the description box for you guys. Just make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe if you like this content, and I'll definitely like hold y'all down. So this is the door to my closet. I like to always keep this door closed because of the mirror that's right behind it. And I feel like when the door is open, it's just crowded space, and I don't like clutter. I hate clutter. But this circle mirror, I believe I got it from Marshall's or TJ Maxx or Home Goods somewhere, but this was like 30 bucks. And my dad was the one who just basically plopped it on the wall, put it there for me, and it's amazing. It's huge. It's nice. So when you open this closet, it's really jam-packed. It's all my stuff is in here. It's unorganized. I have bins here. Over here, I have some hair care products, but I just primarily keep it behind the door because I don't need it right now because my hair's in braids. So this is my graduation cap. This is from when I graduated high school in 2013, and I graduated college in 2017. It's cute. I love it. And it actually goes aesthetically pleasing with my director's chair. It's super cute. Shout out to my girl Brielle, and shout out to my former teacher, but bestie, like my homegirl, Michelle, for actually giving me this book. These are my sheer curtains. Let me tell y'all about these curtains. I purchased them at my local curtain supply store. You can see through it, but here on the opposite end, you can't see through it. It's like it has a blackout. In the morning, the sun is beaming, so it's just really nice because it just wakes you up. It makes my room so much brighter, and I really love that. It's just great. I freaking love it. But I'm gonna tell you the truth. These curtains are expensive as hell. Just one panel alone was $23, girl. $23, my guy. Crazy. Let's get into this mirror. This is where I do my morning mirrors and I get ready. I love this mirror. I wish it was a little bit bigger. Not gonna lie, but I don't know. I kind of sometimes where you feel like you just want more, you need more, whatever. But I wanted the big IKEA mirrors that every YouTuber on the block got. But I'm gonna wait until I grow up more, or when I grow up and actually have my own apartment. And I'm probably going to have one of those mirrors in my bedroom and one of those mirrors in my living room space. But for now, this is pretty good. I got this from Walmart and it was $99. I think I got it on sale for $89. And it's pretty damn good to me. So this, I got it from IKEA and it has 8 slots. I have another lamp over here. And this candle smells bomb. This is my favorite scent. It's white tea and linen. Yo, it makes your room smell like freshness. So in this first section, I have this makeup crate, but I actually don't really wear makeup like that. So it's kind of empty right now, and I kind of went through some of my old makeup because you can't have makeup for too long because makeup does expire. So I don't really have much in here. This is my retainers. If you guys didn't know, I had braces for 9 years and I've been low-key slacking because I haven't been wearing my retainers, sorry. But I will get right back onto it. I have my passport, some hairpins, my earrings in here. And this is like some of my makeup brushes in here. I have oil, lotion, body cream, soap. Y'all seen I might get ready with me. It's actually my molars in here, so that's kind of interesting. And over here, I have my purse. This is one of my favorite purses. It has pink and it has fur. I love it. It's from Aldo. And over here, I have, this is where I keep my laptop. Right beside my bed, you will see my seagrass basket where I keep some more of my stuff in there. My white clothing rack is from IKEA. So let's talk about my bed. This decorative pillow, I got it from, and I love it. I actually have two. I don't really sleep with them. I just kind of just have them for decor because it can give off a lot of dust and I don't like that. I have really sensitive skin and sensitive face. So I actually have two pillows. I don't know where my other pillow is. Yeah. So I have a satin pillowcase. And you know, us natural girls, we got to do it with the satin pillowcase because I'm a lazy natural. Don't be mad at me, but I don't wrap my hair every night. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. This throw I got from Target. I absolutely love this throw. It's so cute. And I really like it. Keeps my room looking simple and clean. I think I might want to get like another color to have like a pop-up color. Maybe gray. Or like maybe if there was like a marble one or something. I don't know. What colors do you guys think I can have to incorporate like a lip room, I guess. This is actually a duvet, which is like a pillowcase for your comforter. So this is actually the real color of my comforter. It's simpler. You just basically tie it up in the corner and stuff, and you can have whatever color you want. And it's easier when doing laundry as opposed to you washing the inside. You could just wash just the outskirts, so it's just easier. So that's basically like my bed area.